Hey foodies! Have you ever wondered what it would be like to cook a burger with molten lava? Well, today, I'm taking you on an epic culinary adventure. We're about to create the juiciest, most delicious burger using the power of an actual volcano. First up, we need some top quality beef. I've got this massive patty ready to go. Just look at that marbling. Now the key to a perfect burger is searing it at the right temperature. And what's hotter than molten lava? Watch closely because here comes the lava. This stuff is over 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit. As it flows over the patty, you can see it instantly searing the meat, locking in all those tasty juices. It's like a supercharged grill. Next, we've got to toast the buns. I'm using a lava rock to get that perfect crispy finish. Just a few seconds on each side and they're golden and beautiful. Time for the toppings. I'm keeping it classic with fresh lettuce, juicy tomatoes, and melted cheese. Watch how the cheese bubbles and melts perfectly under the intense heat. And now, the moment of truth. Let's assemble this masterpiece. Look at that steam rising. The aroma is out of this world. Alright, let's finish this off with a bang. As I take this epic bite, check out the explosion in the background. Talk about a flavor explosion. Thanks for joining me on this insane journey. Remember, don't try this at home. Hit that like button and subscribe for more wild food adventures. See you next time.